What do you do for a living, sir?
In the morning, I do nothing. In the afternoon, I finish what I started in the morning.
You like doing anything.
I'm not that innocent. I'm not that innocent. I'm not that.
You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love.
Muffin? Muffin? Hey? What are you doing here? Muffin? Oh, cute. Muffin? You saw that the cupboard is open and you jumped over it so quickly, huh? Muffin? Oh, she said. This is not a place to sit, okay? Oh, this is not a place to sleep.
Ma'am.
Yes, that's why I rest. Doing nothing takes a lot of energy. Good evening. Breaking news. Simba has been caught stealing treats. Again.
I swear, they were just sitting there. I thought they were, you know, community snacks.
Eyewitnesses say you growled at Bunty when he came close.
Yes, he did.
He looked kinda suspicious. I think.
More on this scandal. After the nap break.
I don't know what to do, I don't know what to say, so I say, hey, looga, 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 please go away, looga, 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 hey, hey.
Stretch, nap, repeat. That's my vibe.
We do pop pop. Yeah, boom 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 boom.